8 myths about India that are not true. We Indians have been fooled often into believing some stories related to India's past. And being patriotically emotional, sometimes we get so inspired that we forget to question the logic or credibility behind these tales. So the next time if anyone boasts of the following things about India, give them a reality check first. Hockey is India's national sport. You'll be amazed to know that our textbooks made us believe that hockey is a national sport of India, despite cricket being the most sought-after sport. While a few would try showing off their knowledge by saying Kabaddi is in fact India's national sport, believe none. The real fact is that India has no national sport. Hindi is the official language of India. If you believe that a nation with 80% of its population being Hindu has Hindi as its official language, then you are as wrong. In fact, as per the Constitution of India, India has 24 official languages. Gandhi danced with a British lady. This photo has been circulated since ages, claiming to be of Mahatma Gandhi dancing with a British lady. But that's not true at all. This photo was clicked during a party where an Australian actor dressed up like his idol Mahatma Gandhi and showed up. Varanasi is the oldest city around the world. There are over 30 cities according to historians which were colonized way before Varanasi, that was colonized around 1100 years BC. Gandhi said, "An eye for an eye." There has been no affirmative record that M.K. Gandhi ever made the statement. In fact, this was used as one of the dialogues by actor Ben Kingsley, who played the lead in the movie Gandhi. India was disqualified from FIFA 1950. AIFF, All India Football Federation, blamed FIFA for disqualifying the Indian team because the players wanted to play barefoot. If truth be told, the tour to Brazil back then was a pricey affair for the AIFF, and knowing that the Indian team would not even stand a chance to make it to finals, let alone be winners against team like Italy, AIFF blamed FIFA to escape their own embarrassment. Indian Railways is the world's largest manpower employer. We do have one of the largest railway network in the world, but that doesn't mean we are the biggest employer in the world. Indian Railways might have an army of employees deployed, but is surely not the largest. For many years, Indians believed that the famous looking back moment of flying Sikh Milkha Singh before finishing the 400-meter race at first position during the 1960 Olympics did happen. For the record, he was running at the 5th position and in the nick of time managed to reach 4th position. For more interesting videos, subscribe to Speaking Tree YouTube channel.